I will show you the fastest way to peel a pomegranate to get from this to this quite easily. This is the point from where the fruit was hanging on the tree and harvested here by cutting the stem. This end is the side of the flower, top of the fruit. If we closely look at the fruit, we see that it has some ridges around, and in between the ridges there are flat areas where the seeds are enclosed. It is very important to cut the pomegranate from the correct side, otherwise you will waste lots of juice. Take a knife and make a cut around here. Start rotating around to return back to the start point. Take care not to cut too deep. The aim is to peel off the cap. Take out this white central portion. The next step is to take out your knife and make shallow cuts near ridges from top to just near the bottom around the pomegranate. Do not cut all the way down. Now use your fingers to gently open the pomegranate. Because of several cuts, it opens quite easily, exposing the seeds called as arils. Now take a spoon, preferably a wooden. Hold your cut pomegranate upside down and hit on the back with the spoon. The seeds will fall in the bowl. Rotate and continue hitting all around till all the seeds come out. Note that some portions of white membranes called the endocarp came along with the seeds. Although these are edible, but they are somewhat bitter, so better to remove them. You can pick them by hand or you can simply pour in some water in the bowl. The membranes will float on the surface and can be easily removed. Do not throw the water, it contains the juice. In taking out the pomegranate seeds, some of the seeds and juice may splatter and can stain the surface permanently. It is better to use a polythene sheet on the table. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.